Everyone wants advanced AI, but the real engine behind it is a cloud data platform like Snowflake. Because AI doesn't run on magic, it runs on data. If your inputs are messy, your models are useless. Imagine a chaotic storm of customer clicks pouring in from your app. Instead of funneling that mess into a physical server room, Snowflake intercepts it on massive networks like AWS, making it a cloud-native system. Once inside, Snowflake acts as a true data platform, organizing those clicks into a strict hierarchy, sorting the raw information into broad databases, specific schemas, and perfectly structured tables. Traditionally, processing this data required an IT team to constantly monitor servers and manually upgrade hardware. Snowflake eliminates that bottleneck. It automatically scales its computing power to match any data load. Because it handles this infrastructure for you, it is delivered as software as a service, or SaaS. This combination, cleanly structured tables on an automatically scaling cloud, creates the perfect data supply chain. And remember that massive, chaotic storm of random app interactions we looked at in the very beginning? They are now perfectly structured inputs, automatically flowing in real time, completely ready to train your most advanced AI.
New to Snowflake? Tap the related video and watch What is Snowflake first.